Farm Animals Hospital Doctor 3. Come back every day and get more coins. Welcome to the Animal Hospital. Billy the donkey ate too much candy. Now he has a toothache. Poor Billy, let's help him. First, turn on the lamp. Let's take a closer look. Oh no! Let's get rid of these germs. Play more and get more flowers. Good job! Now it's time to remove the bad tooth. And put in a new one. Great! Now take care of the other teeth. Let's fill in the holes. Polish the teeth for a perfect look. Good job, Billy. Here's a badge for your bravery. Help Billy to get rid of the candies. Click it. Thank you so much. Billy feels great and welcome to the Animal Hospital. Miss Violet spends too much time reading books in the dark. Let's help Miss Violet. First, wipe away the dirt. Great! Now take off the broken glasses. Ew! Clean the pus. Good job! Now let's get ready to test Violet's vision. Click it. Click it. We need a few eye drops. Let's take a closer look. Use the laser to fix her eyes. Good job! Now put these figures on the board to test Violet's vision. Circle. 1, 3, 2, square, triangle. Very good! Choose new glasses for Miss Violet. able to read again. Welcome to the animal hospital. Welcome to the animal hospital. Mrs. Pigsley just got back from vacation. Chase the mosquitoes away from her. Good! Now take off her hat. And sunglasses. Ooh, Mrs. Pigsley would love to take a mud bath. She loves it. Great! Now wash it off. Let's heal the mosquito bites. Open the box. Apply it, please. Much better. Put the robe on. Good job! Apply a cooling face mask to treat the sunburn. And cucumbers for some freshness. Flip the clock. And wait for a few minutes. Now, remove the slices. Clean her face, please. Almost done. Good job, Mrs. Pigsley. Welcome to the animal hospital. Play more and get more flowers. Welcome to the animal hospital. Ooh, a coin tree. Welcome to the animal hospital. Then he got his heart broken.